We're just doing a Sunday eating video. One eye. Hey, Mama. I bet Mama on the side of her face sometimes. So there's Orange Boy. Oh, Rowdy. Weedy Pie, the other tortoisey. One's Mama and Blair. Oh, Pretty Face is way out there. Let's see. Yeah, you can barely see her, sorry. But glad she's here. Oh, here comes Blair. So it's good feed on Sunday. Gray Boy came from the front parking lot, probably because Meanie was picking on him. So they're sensitive, brother. He already ate. All right, Sunday feeding. It's kind of nice out. It's nice and shady back here. So Weedy's being lovable today. All right, thanks for watching.